It's funny how I've been natural for 8 years and I haven't tried a handful of natural hairstyles. Flat twists being one of them. As usual, you already know, like, I don't even have to say this, like, put water on your hair before you do anything to your hair. Just make sure your hair is drenched in water, that way it's easier for you to style. I just want to know. This is going to be the inspo for today. I'm going to start with my side part. Parting the hair is very hard. I don't really know how they did it in this picture, how the girl did it, so I'm just freestyle parting. I'm not pre-parting, I'm just parting my hair and doing what seems right. So I'll start with the side part and I'm going to drench the part. I'm going to flat twist first, then detangle it with my detangling brush, and I'll start parting the section I want to flat twist. Parting the back is way easier than doing the front because I've never done my side head like this before. So I just part a chunky piece. Tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. This was how it ended up looking. It's not perfect, but I can work with it. So I use my KUI spray and then the cream and then shea butter, and then I start flat twisting the hair. I coat it very well. I make sure I detangle it really well. I also detangle while I'm flat twisting, so you'll see that later. The first thing you want to do is just twist your hair and pinch a little bit of hair as you go down as you're twisting the hair. That's basically it, and then you do that till you get to the tips of your hair. It's very simple. It's easier than I thought it was going to be. The hard part of this hairstyle is just parting it. That's basically it. Ooh, I like it. It's not unraveling and it's not tight. All you have to do is just twist and be pinching your hair as you're twisting, and then you just like twist till you get to the end. It's better to just spray the mist before parting the hair, that way it's just easier. I sprayed the mist and I put the cream at some points before parting. But shea butter is the main character here. Shea butter helps to reduce flyaways. It makes your hair neat and it just makes your hair look smooth. As I went on, I got the hang of the parting. I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Spray on my gun, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away. Just trying to get my picture straight, girl. Don't give my shit away. I'm just trying to get my picture straight. I know I've been away. Don't give my shit away. Now this is the hardest parting in this whole hairstyle because I've never parted my head like this before. I conquered it. I would say I tried. So I just made sure I took my time, made sure I parted it, and made sure the parting was straight. It's not straight, like perfectly straight, but it's straight enough. So I use my shea butter. It makes my hair look shiny, makes it look neat, helps with the flyaways and stuff like that. Then I start twisting. I just do normal twists, not Senegalese twist, just like normal twisting, and then I pinch the hair as I go till I reach the tip of the hair. As for how I twist, I think I twist to my left.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight.
Just like any other hairstyle, this is a repeated process, except when you get to the back. There's a different way of twisting when you get to the back, which is easier in my opinion, and I'll show you soon.
Don't get my shit away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Baby, baby, don't be down. Don't be wrong. I ain't got no fun at all. This penthouse view ain't as beautiful as you. Wanna have time, but I can make time for you. Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Separate spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I like, what would you like to do? Tell me, I'm telling you. I know I've been away.
So this is the different way I was telling you about. I think this is an overhand method. Meanwhile, the way I was doing before is called underhand. It looks like I'm braiding, but I'm not. I'm just flat twisting.
Don't get my shit away.
Details about this hair, like how long it took, how long it will last, how long I've had it in for, are all in the description below. If you have any further questions, you can always leave them in the comments below.
If I put my trust in you, what will you do? Will you just step back? Will you duck it out? Will you be here to the end? I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away.
Now this is a better view of how I do the overhand method. It's just twisting, like I don't even know how to explain it. Just watch and see. Like I twist 2 strands and then use my finger to pick out hair, and then use the other one to twist it in, and then repeat the process. That's how I can explain it. And then it ends up being a flat twist.
Oh, I used to tell lies, but I would never lie to you. Separate spray on my dime, looking all kinds of new. So you know what I.
After everything, I moisturize my scalp, just so it can look shiny and new and neat. This is a really good back to school hairstyle. Anyway, this is the end result, and here's the back. I really like it. It's not perfect, but I still like it. This hairstyle turned out to be so much easier than I expected it to be. It's not tight, it's not uncomfortable. I can move my head freely. I've never tried it before. This is going to be like my new staple hairstyle. So now, if you're having issues with hydrating your hair and keeping it moisturized for a long period of time, make sure you check out this video here, and that can help you out.